Welcome, my amazing warriors, to a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. In the grand tapestry of life, each of us is a vibrant thread, weaving our own unique story. Yet, too often, we let others hold the pen, defining our worth by their perceptions and judgments. We become prisoners in a cage of expectations, forgetting the key that's been in our possession all along, the power within. But what is this power? It's an ember in the heart, a spark in the soul. It's the courage to stand tall in the face of adversity, the resilience to bounce back from failure, the strength to keep going when the road gets tough. It's the ability to love oneself, unconditionally and fiercely. It's the capacity to forgive, to let go of the bitterness, to rise above the pettiness. Each of us carries this power. It's there, deep within, waiting to be tapped into. Yet, we often overlook it, blinded by the harsh glare of criticism, drowned out by the deafening roar of negativity. Our true selves, our real worth, get lost in the noise. We forget that we are more than a snapshot on social media, more than a casual remark tossed our way. But imagine if we could channel this power, if we could silence the external chatter and listen to our inner voice, if we could shrug off the weight of judgment and stand firm in our self-belief. Imagine the transformation we could bring about in ourselves and in the world around us. It's time to reclaim your narrative, to define yourself by your own standards, to look beyond the mirror of societal expectations and see the real you, to embrace your flaws, celebrate your strengths, and love yourself unconditionally, to forgive those who have wronged you, not for their sake, but for your own peace. Every rude comment, every attempt to dim your light, forgive them. They don't even know the power that resides within you. No one can dim your light if you refuse to hand them the switch. Remember, you are the author of your own story, and you have the power to write an extraordinary one. In a world filled with love, let forgiveness be your shield. Let's talk about limitations, not the physical ones that we can see and touch, but the invisible ones that hover in our minds, shaping our thoughts and actions. These are the limiting beliefs, and they are often born from the expectations of others. Think about it. How many times have you heard someone say, "You can't do that," or "That's not for you," or "You're not good enough, smart enough, strong enough"? These words, these expectations seep into our minds, creating invisible boundaries that limit our potential. But here's the thing, these boundaries, these limiting beliefs, they are not the truth. They are the reflections of others' perceptions, not your potential. And it's high time we realize that. You see, we are not born with an instruction manual that tells us what we can or cannot do. We are not born with a set of rules that define our worth. No, we are born with limitless potential, with the capacity to dream, to strive, and to achieve. But when we let the expectations of others define us, we cage that potential. We let their judgments cloud our vision, dim our light. And that's not fair. Not to us, not to the world that could benefit from our gifts. So how do we break free? How do we rise above these expectations and realize our true worth? It begins with belief. Belief in ourselves, belief in our potential. It continues with the courage to challenge these expectations, to question their validity, to reject their limitations. And it culminates in action, in stepping out of the shadows of expectation and into the light of our potential, in daring to dream, to strive, to be all that we can be. Remember, the only person who can truly know your potential is you. Don't let others' expectations define you. You are so much more than they think. You are capable, you are strong, you are worthy. Do not let the expectations of others limit your potential. You deserve more than you think. And remember, in the end, the haters, the comments, they fade away like background noise. They're nothing more than the whispers of winds that blow past, leaving no lasting mark. The only voices that truly matter are the ones we carry within ourselves. So, let's talk about the power of self-belief. It's a force that can move mountains, break barriers, and ignite the spark of transformation. It's not just about believing in the image you see in the mirror every day. It's about believing in the person within, the one who dreams, hopes, and strives to become better each day. You see, it's easy to believe in the sun when it's shining, but it takes real strength to believe in the dawn when you're surrounded by the darkest night. That's the kind of belief that makes the impossible possible. Now imagine a world where we all held such belief, not just in ourselves but in each other. A world where we lift each other up, where we celebrate each other's victories as our own, where every setback is seen as a stepping stone, not a stumbling block. Sounds beautiful, doesn't it? That's the kind of world we can create. A symphony of strength and resilience, where every individual note, every single voice contributes to a harmonious melody. But it starts with you. It starts with believing in yourself. It starts with recognizing your strength, your resilience, your power. You are the composer of your own symphony, the maestro who orchestrates the music of your life. So play your notes loudly, boldly, unapologetically. Let the world hear your melody, your unique contribution to this grand symphony. And when you doubt your ability to make a difference, remember this: I believe in you. I believe in your strength, in your resilience, in your power to create change. And if I can believe in you, then surely you can believe in yourself. Believe in yourself because I believe in you. Believe in each other, and together we'll create a symphony of strength and resilience. I'm so grateful for what I have, and I'm ready for what comes next. As we approach the end of our time together today, I want to assure you that the journey of self-discovery and empowerment is one without an end. It's a continuous process, a never-ending road filled with twists and turns, peaks and valleys. Each day brings with it new opportunities for growth, for learning, for understanding. Just as a caterpillar transforms into a butterfly, so too do we transform with each passing day, with each new experience. The journey is not always easy, but it's always worth it. So stay true to yourself, love yourself, and have confidence in the power within you. Your strength is limitless, your potential infinite. So, my incredible warriors, do you. Be true to yourself, love yourself, have confidence in the power within you, and everything will be fine. I'm excited for the incredible journey that awaits you. Thank you so much.